Hi everyone, Tom Wolf here. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get an analog style distortion in Diva. Now Diva doesn't actually have a distortion effect in it, so this is a useful tip if you want to get that kind of sound out of Diva. So let's come over to Diva and we'll put this on the scope so that we can actually see the overdrive as well. And we're going to be using the ladder filter and we're going to be using the feedback knob. Now this is something that U-he have implemented that was a workaround in the original Mini Moog Model D synth that this is modelled on. And what you could essentially do with the Mini Moog Model D is you could take a cable from an output and put it into an external input. Then when you turned up that input, you would get a driven sound. So let's just have a listen to that. So we're just going to run a straight sawtooth wave. And let's turn the feedback up. And as you can hear and see, we start to get distortion. Now let's try it with another waveform. So let's set it to a triangle wave. And if we play that, we get a really driven sound from it. We can also emphasize this by putting the filter into 12 dB mode. Turning up the resonance a bit. You can see we get some interesting types of distortion happening there as well. This also works really well when we use other oscillator types as well. So if we come over to our dual VCO, you can see we now no longer have the mix for the ladder filter, but we just have the feedback knob. So one thing that I like to do in my presets is I like to turn off VCO 1, turn the mix over to VCO 2, and then put it on a sine wave. And you can use this to really get kind of gritty sine sounds. And of course you can just dial it in with the feedback knob there. And you can also use other filter types as well. So if we come over to the cascade filter, we still get a lot of distortion. It's a cleaner sound, but as you can see, we are distorting the signal. And we can get loads of really kind of interesting harmonics on that filter there as well. So that's how you get an analog style distortion sound in U-he Diva. If you're a Diva user or you use other U-he synths and you'd like to get some free presets, head to synthvault.net. Every single month I release new presets for U-he synths for you to download completely free. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.